Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Hagan, and I'm here with my partner Audrey. And today I'm going to present a topic from our lecture. Lecture is transaction processing with information technology and financial reporting system in integrated business environment. And in this presentation, I'll explain how the information technology changes the way transactions are processed and how it supports the financial reporting process in modern and integrated organizations. So let's start with the transaction processing system or TPS. TPS is a computerized system that designed to record, process, and store business transaction efficiently. And its main functions include data collection, data processing, and database maintenance, and document preparation. And for the example is a business that every time a sale occurs, the system captures the transaction data, updates the inventory and accounts, and then generates the sales documents or reports. And common examples of the TPS includes the sales order processing, payroll system, and even the inventory management system. Okay, so there are two types of transaction processing. The first one is batch processing, and the second one is online real-time processing. So in the batch processing, the transactions are collected and processed together at a specific time. For example, a payroll system that process the salaries at the end of the month. Meanwhile, in the real-time processing, each transaction is processed immediately as it happens, like when you withdraw money from the ATM or when you make an online purchases. And compared to batch processing, the real-time system provides faster feedback, higher accuracy, and continuous control over operations. Now let's move on into the financial reporting system or FRS. The FRS uses data from the TPS and other resources to produce financial statements and reports. And its main goal is to transfer raw transaction data into meaningful financial information that complies with the accounting standards. And the main output of FRS includes the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and management reports. These reports are crucial for both internal users like managers and external users such as investors and regulators. So, in today's business environment, companies operates within integrated system, commonly through enterprise resource planning or ERP software. This integration allows the GPS and FRS to work seamlessly together. For example, when a sales transaction occurs, the system automatically updates inventory, accounts receivable, and general ledger all in real time. The benefits of integration is consistent and accurate data, reduce redundancy, real-time information, and better decision-making across departments. And for the next slide will be explained by my partner, Aldo.
Okay, so for the next one, we will talk about the components of an integrate system. So the first one is centralized database, like share data across departments, and also application modules like sales, purchasing, inventory, HR, or finance, and etc. And also control like access control, authorization, and data validation. And the last one is IT infrastructure like hardware, networks, and software like or some example like platforms. And for the ERP example that we all know is Oracle, SAP, and Microsoft Dynamics. We can go next to the next slide. So we will talk about the internal control in IT-based transaction processing. So according to the book Aaron's ETAL, internal control objectives remain the same. Authorization of transaction, accurate and complete recording, safeguarding of asset, and also the reliable financial report. And what the example of the control is input validation checks, access control, and user authentication, audit trails, and the last one is backup and recovery producers. We can go next slide. So there are auditors' consideration in IT environment. What the auditors responsible is understand the IT environment and data flow, evaluate general and application controls, and also assess risk of material misstatement due to IT failures. And what the techniques for the audit to take the responsible is test of control or TOC, computer assist audit techniques like CAATS, and the last one is continuous auditing using real-time data. Okay, we can go to the next slide. So what the benefit of IT driven FRS is accuracy. There are reduced human error through the automation, and also timeless. That means real time reporting and faster decision making. Also, there are consistency because integrate data across all departments, and the last one is scalability, like the FRS is doable for complex multinational operation. And what the risk and also the challenge for the driven FRS is system failure and data corrup- corruption and cybersecurity threats, unauthorized access and data manipulation, dependency on IT specialists, and the last one is complex audit procedures. We can go to the next slide. So we go to the last slide. I think yes, that is a conclusion for our presentation in this time. And the conclusion is transaction processing with IT ensure efficiency, accuracy, and real-time control. Also, integration with FRS creates a unified financial reporting system. And the last one is auditor must adapt to IT-based environment by understanding a system and applying advanced audit techniques. Maybe for the discussion question, we will talk about in class, guys. So thank you for your attention and good evening. Happy evening. Thank you.